Hi there. Welcome to BLiNKS 3. Today BLiNKS will be bringing us to BLiNKS Corporation. BLiNKS Corporation is this beautiful place that is owned by the money lady. It is here that your adventure starts. Did I tell you about BLiNKS Corporation? Whatever. Anyways, enjoy BLiNKS's adventure.
BLiNKS, I can smell up who you are from a mile away. I will open this room at light speed when you get richer.
Hi, BLiNKS. Are you here for money? Well, here you go.
Wow. Isn't this free DLC annoying? You have to go grab another key to get by now because the developers of this funny BLiNKS game want to waste your time. Anyways, I will be waiting here motionless until you do that. See you, Mr. Funny BLiNKS man.
Hi BLiNKS. Welcome to Bill Gates Industries. Here we make paywalls with Bill Gates written on them. My boss Mr. Microsoft will gladly let you in.
I am Mr. Microsoft. You must have found the secret portal to Bill Gates Industries. Come on in.
Sorry for scaring you, BLiNKS, but this is very important. I have no friends and would like to see if anyone can navigate my house properly. Make it to my lawn and get on the BLiNKS bus to become my friend. You'll be waiting back outside by the BLiNKS Park driveway.
I'm sorry for the scaring mess that was my voice earlier. Rats chewed on the wires to that room and messed up the speaker. Most of my house is just left turns, as I like left more than right. Oh, and don't forget to turn the camera if you get lost. That helps a lot. This is my bedroom, BLiNKS. I sleep here. This was going to be a kitchen, but I remembered that I'm a freak that doesn't need to eat food. These floating heads are my pets. They love it when you bring home a bag of chips and spill them all on the floor. Some kids put that text right there. I don't know who let them in, but I'm glad they were having fun.
Hi, BLiNKS. I need your help. All of my money grew legs and ran away. Here is some invisible magic stuff that will make your life easier.
Welcome to my castle, BLiNKS. As you can probably see, I just started working on it and everything is very unfinished. Please come to my throne room, as I would like to have you join me in buying out the world. If you don't know, yes, I am the money that ran away. BLiNKS Corp was throwing away my family to people like you because Sonic, the owner of Bill Gates Industries, was blocking people from getting out of the BLiNKS Corp driveway. BLiNKS, what are you doing? Put me back right now. Wait, what happened to my castle? Did you do that? Please let me go. I just wanted to buy the world. Are you even listening to me, BLiNKS? Leave me in my castle. I belong here, not at BLiNKS Corp. Please.
Thank you, BLiNKS. I needed that money to pay my rent. I told the people down at Bill Gates Industries to activate the portal to help you escape our lawn.
Currently opening the door. Please wait while the door opens.
Goodbye, BLiNKS. You will be missed. Enjoy your flight home.
Oh, hi BLiNKS. I'm John, Mick's long-lost brother. Please take this ticket, as you can't go in without it. Sorry BLiNKS, but you might need to do some extra steps before all of the doors open. I accidentally broke that door yesterday. Go the other way. Ignore the writing in this room. We took care of those fools. I forgot I set the box up to detonate the door silently. Good job, BLiNKS. Thank goodness you made it. Why did you make it? I don't know, but I helped. Enjoy jumping into that portal to an unknown dimension.
Well, what are you waiting for? Get going!
Hi, BLiNKS. John told me you were headed to the unknown dimension earlier. This place might look and sound dangerous, but I can tell you with 100% confidence that it might actually be safe. In fact, this dimension appears to be made out of a special type of candy you will never find anywhere else. Some of it is so delicious looking that touching it might instantly make it vanish because you could somehow eat it at the speed of light. Of course. It is still unknown. Nobody has eaten all of the candy there to figure out what lies behind it.
Hi BLiNKS, my name is Joseph. I have absolutely no relation to the other characters you've met today and am just here to pad out the game. Anyways, I really need your assistance. I lost my hat in the cave over there. Can you try to get it out for me?
Hi. Welcome to my obstacle course. Here your goal is to reach the end. It is pretty easy. Good luck, Mr. Funny BLiNKS Cat Guy.
Hello BLiNKS. Welcome to the spooky underground cave. There's no known way out of here, so enjoy your new permanent home.
All teams, this is the Time Factory CEO. We don't have much time. Someone has touched the big crystal and scattered it into fragments. They set the universe on a path to utter destruction.
Yeah, Bash, time to kill everything. I am Sonic. I own BLiNKS Industries and would like to see some information. Wait, are you BLiNKS? Your dirt poor go wait until you have real money or else I will ban you from this dimension. What? You got rich? Well, I guess I'll let you in. Don't do anything stupid. To get to the second floor you will need to complete Wrench Jimmy's challenge. Oh no, I am dying.
We are closed. Come back later. I repeat. You cannot enter this area yet. I repeat.
Sorry for scaring you BLiNKS, but this is very important. I have no friends and would like to see if anyone can navigate my house properly. Make it to my lawn and get on the BLiNKS bus to become my friend. He'll be waiting back outside by the BLiNKS Corp driveway.
Welcome to BLiNKS 3. Today BLiNKS will be bringing us to BLiNKS Corporation. BLiNKS Corporation is this beautiful place that is owned by the money lady. It is here that your adventure starts. Did I tell you about BLiNKS Corporation? Whatever. Anyways, enjoy BLiNKS's adventure.
Please register your ticket down the hall. Our budget is too low for stairs. My assistant has something to say to you BLiNKS. Oh, wait. I accidentally broke that door earlier. Turn around. That side of the building got nuked last week. Try to find another way. That appears to be the wrong way, BLiNKS. Go back and find another way. Don't worry BLiNKS. That's just a leftover from when I was trying to rule the world. Now I'm taking over the universe.